Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change door glass. First, prioritize safety by gathering your essential tools. You will need safety gloves, a utility knife, and a pry bar. Always wear personal protective equipment, including eye protection and thick gloves, to protect yourself from sharp edges. Clear your work area of any obstacles or fragile items to prevent accidents and ensure a smooth process. This preparation is crucial for a safe and efficient glass replacement. Now, let's move on to removing the damaged glass. Begin by carefully removing any trim or molding that holds the glass in place. Use a sharp utility knife to cut through old caulk or glazing compound around the edges. Gently pry out the broken glass pieces, always starting with the largest sections for better control. After removal, thoroughly clean the frame, ensuring all old sealant and debris are gone. With the frame clean, it's time to install your new glass panel. Apply a fresh, consistent bead of glazing compound or silicone sealant around the entire frame opening. Carefully place the new glass panel into the prepared space, ensuring it is perfectly centered and evenly seated. Secure the glass by reattaching new trim or glazing beads, pressing them firmly into the sealant to create a tight seal. For the final touches, apply a thin, even layer of sealant around all edges of the new glass. Use a putty knife to smooth the sealant, creating a clean, professional, and watertight finish. It is crucial to allow the sealant to cure completely, which can take up to 24 hours, depending on the product. Finally, test the door for proper operation and ensure there are no drafts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.